Hi, welcome back to XLS form series. So, how do you ask yes or no questions using XLS form? I already said that XLS using XLS form is basically going to give you total control over the type of questions that you ask your respondent. I am going to show you how to use XLS form to design yes or no questions. So, if you haven't watched my previous video, you can go back to see how to design that, but I will still take my time and explain all the tabs and the columns in XLS forms. So let's open this one and see what is going on. So when you open this, I have already designed that. I have three tabs called survey, choices, and settings. In my previous videos on how to design that, I have already explained that, but I will still explain it. So when you come to the survey, we have the type, we have the name, we have the label, and the type is going to contain the type of question you want to ask. The name is going to be the unique identifiers of the question, and the label is going to represent the type of questions or what you want your responder to see. When you come to the choices, the list underscore name is going to contain the unique identifiers. The name here is also going to contain the unique the unique choices of the unique identifiers, and the label is going to represent the responses that you want the responder to see. So let's carry on. So now this is yes or no question. So we are going to select only one of them, and this is a select type of question. So you say select. So select underscore one. So we are going to select one. Which of them are we going to select? Yes or which is yes underscore no. When you are done with that, we come to the name, and this name is going to be the unique identifiers of the question. So what you are going to say it. So now when you come to the label, so the label is, are you still going to eat at NPP gathering? Oh, sorry, I would nice. So we have this. We come to the choices. So the choices is either going to be yes or no. So when you come to the list name, we are going to see what we did, the unique identifiers of the question. So we say yes underscore no. So yes or no. And this one is the unique identifier. So we are choosing the yes type. So which is going to be the yes. And this is what, when you come to the label, what you want the responder to see. So it's either, sorry, yes. Now we move to the note side, which is going to be yes or no. And this one is going to be no. Then we come to what you want the responder to see, which is no. So once you are done, you are all set. So let's save it. Save it, and then you close it. You need to close it out, because if you don't close it out, you can't test it out using the ODK. You cannot deploy them using the ODK XLS form. So we can close it out. So we close it out, and now we are going to deploy this question. So we come to our web browser, and now we are going to test it using ODK XLS forms. So ODK XLS form. So we come here and then open this. So once you open it, now you can choose your file. Let's open it. We have to open it to see what we did, whether it's basically the one that we're going to deploy. So I usually do that. So we open it and make sure that that is basically the same thing. So this is what we did. Let's close it out again, and then we select it. Then we say open. So now we submit. After clicking on submit, you can see that you can preview it in browser. So we preview our question. and it shows you this. So it asks you, are you still going to eat at MPP gathering? Yes or no. So you can either select no or you can select yes. And then you click on validate to see whether the question is valid. So you click on yes, then you say validate. And this is good. So this is basically how to ask yes or no questions using XLS form. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you